Welcome everyone to our next online SAP learning tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will see how to change color in SAP GUI screen. So suppose you have a launchpad here and in the top left corner, click here, go to the options and here in color settings, you see like it's already on green, then you can select gold one, purple one, red one also and the signature default. So once you click, suppose I am selecting here the purple one, then we need to apply here, then click on OK, then close it and again try to open it. Now you can see the purple theme here. So by this way you can change the SAP GUI theme. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.